Next, let me right click on one of the sum of the amounts. And let me go to value field settings. Value field settings. This is where right now I am seeing the sum of all the values. But if I want to apply a different functionality than sum, let's say if I want to see the number of items, number of banana rows for the North America, or number of carrot rows for the North America, I can click OK, and you'll be like, oh, okay, so there are 30 rows for banana in North America, 12 for apple, and so on and so forth. If I go back to filters, I can then click on all again. So I want to see all the countries and click OK. And now I see the highest number of count is for banana. There's 71 rows for banana, 40 for apple, 27 for carrot, 27 for broccoli, 24 for orange, and so on and so forth.